The success of most birds of prey depends on the mastery of flight. But there's always one that bucks the trend. Meet the secretary bird. Not your typical bird of prey. She's a raptor on stilts, about the height of a 7-year-old child. And while she can fly, she'd rather go by foot. Up to 18 miles a day. Those long legs aren't just for walking. They help see into the tall grass. They look a little ungainly. But don't be fooled. That kick is lethal, unleashing 44 pounds of force faster than a blink of an eye. And she needs to move fast. This living velociraptor is also a mom. 2 chicks, almost fully grown, always hungry.